Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Curious Commerce, Capital Budgeting Series 16. In today's Capital Budgeting Series, we are going to learn a very important concept in payback period calculations, that is, fractional payback period. Till now, we solved the problems where investment was recovered exactly at the end of the year. But in real business situations, recovery may happen in the middle of a year. For example, a company invests 1 lakh rupees in a project. After 3 years, it recovers 90,000 rupees only. In the fourth year, it receives another 20,000 rupees. Now, the question is, do we say payback period is 4 years or something more accurate? That is what we are going to learn today. After this video, you will be able to solve exact payback period problems very easily without confusions. Let us first understand the practical problem. In many projects, cash inflow are uneven. That means in the year first, income may be different. In year second, once again the income may be different. In the year third, income may also change. Because of uneven inflow, the investment may not be recovered exactly at the end of the year. It may happen somewhere in between the years. For example, suppose after 3 years we recover 90,000 rupees, still 10,000 rupees is remaining. In year 4, total inflow is 20,000 rupees. Now, logically, we do not need the full year to recover the remaining 10,000 rupees. We only need half of that year. So, instead of saying 4 years, we calculate exact recovery time, that is called fractional payback period. Now, let us understand the concept clearly. Fractional payback means calculating the exact fraction of the year required to recover remaining investment. This gives a more accurate answer. Normally, students make one mistake. They stop calculation once recovery happens in a particular year. But professional financial managers want precision. So we calculate remaining amount of divided by next year inflow. This tells us what fraction of the year is required. The formula is very simple. Fractional year equals remaining investment divided by next year cash inflow. If the answer is zero point 0.5, it means half year. 0.25, it means quarter year. 0.75, three-fourth year. This method improves accuracy in the project evaluation. Now, let us solve one complete problem step by step. The investment related to the project is 1 lakh rupees. Yearly cash inflows are 40,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, once again 20,000 rupees from 1 year to fourth year respectively. The question is, find the exact payback period. This is a very important exam type problem. Whenever you see different inflows, never directly use the simple formula. First, calculate cumulative inflows, then find the remaining amount, then calculate the fraction. Let us do it carefully. Step 1 is cumulative calculations. We keep adding yearly inflow one by one. Year 1 is 40,000 rupees. Year 2 is 30,000 rupees. Add to 40,000 rupees, that is 70,000 rupees. Means that 40,000 plus 30,000, that is 70,000. Then 70,000 plus 20,000, that is 90,000 rupees. Investment was 1 lakh. Investment was 1 lakh related to that project. So remaining amount is 1 lakh minus 90,000 rupees. That is, the remaining is 10,000 rupees. This is very important. Students often make mistake in cumulative totals. Always write totals clearly year by year. Now, recovery has not happened fully by end of the third year, but in fourth year, inflow is 20,000 rupees. So, recovery will happen somewhere during fourth year. Is it right? Now, we calculate the fraction of the year required. Remaining amount is 10,000 rupees. Year fourth cash inflow is 20,000 rupees. Now use the formula. Fraction equals remaining amount. The remaining amount is 10,000 rupees divided by the next year inflow. That is, the next year inflow is 20,000 rupees. That is 10,000 rupees divided by 20,000 rupees. The answer is zero point 0.5. 10,000 divided by 20,000, the answer is zero point 0.5 years. That means only half of year fourth is needed to recover the remaining investment. Very simple. If remaining was 5,000, then the fraction would become 5,000 divided by 20,000, that is 0.25 years. So only one fourth of the year would be needed. This method gives accurate recovery time. Now let us calculate the final answer. Before year fourth, 3-year complete years are already over. Additional fraction required is zero point 0.5 years. So payback period equals 3 years plus zero point 0.5 years. It means 3.5 years. This is the exact payback period. Not 4 years, not 3 years. The correct answer is 3.5 years. This is a very important formula for exams and interviews. Payback period equals years before recovery plus remaining amount divided by next year inflow. Remember this carefully. Step by step approach is the step 1 is find the cumulative inflows. Step second is identify remaining amount. Step third is divide remaining amount by next year cash inflow. Step fourth is add fraction to complete years. If you follow these steps, you can solve any fractional payback problem easily. Now, let us discuss common mistakes students make. Mistake one is ignoring fraction completely. Some students simply write 3 years or 4 years. That is incorrect. The mistake second is wrong cumulative totals. If cumulative calculation is wrong, final answer also becomes wrong. Mistake third is using simple formula incorrectly. Simple formula works only for even cash inflows. For uneven cash inflows, always use cumulative method. These mistakes are very common in exams, so be careful about the formula adoption. Why this concept important for managers? Because accurate calculation improves decision making. Suppose two projects have similar payback period. Small differences may change the decisions. When payback period is calculated correctly, we can compare projects on a like for like basis and choose the best option. For example, the project A's and project B's payback period is 3 years. But when you're using the fractional formula, the exact payback period is 3.5 years for project A and 2.5 years for project B. So, fractional paybacks helps in better comparison, better planning, and more accurate investment decisions. Let us quickly revise today's concept. When recovery happens in mid of the year, we calculate fraction of the year. The formula is remaining amount divided by next year inflow. Then add this fraction to completed year. Very important concept for numerical problems. Practice more questions and this logic becomes very easy and it is a very important topic also. In the next video, we will learn advantages and limitations of payback period. The topic is very important for theory questions and interviews. So continue learning with Curious Commerce. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. If you need daily updates, follow Curious Commerce Financial Management Hub and WhatsApp channel. Once again, thank you everyone.